CompTIA command line tools practice questions. Question 1. A CompTIA A+ learner is facing a realistic support scenario about command line tools. Which command displays IP configuration on Windows? Which choice gives the most accurate technician level answer? Option A, ping. Option B, IP protocol configuration. Option C, tracert. Option D, netstat. The correct answer is option B, IP protocol configuration. Address details reveal whether a system has valid network settings. This command is often the first diagnostic step for connectivity complaints. Question 2. During a YouTube long-form practice session on command line tools, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. Which command sends echo requests to test reachability? What is the best answer? Option A, format. Option B, task kill. Option C, ping. Option D, header. The correct answer is option C, ping. A simple connectivity test confirms whether a target responds. The timing results also hint at delay and packet loss. Question 3. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving command line tools. Which command shows the route traffic takes to a destination? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, dir. Option B, sfc. Option C, hostname. Option D, tracert. The correct answer is option D, tracert. Route tracing displays hops between the computer and a remote host. It helps identify where traffic slows or stops. Question 4. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to command line tools. Which tool checks name resolution from the command line? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA A+ understanding? Option A, nslookup. Option B, chkdsk. Option C, reamdir. Option D, type. The correct answer is option A, nslookup. Name lookup testing confirms whether friendly names convert to addresses. It is useful when websites fail by name but not by address. Question 5. A student preparing for the CompTIA A+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in command line tools. Which command checks a disk for file system errors? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, gpupdate. Option B, chkdsk. Option C, echo. Option D, net user. The correct answer is option B, chkdsk. Storage checks look for file system problems that may affect stability or data access. Technicians use the results to plan safe repair steps. Question 6. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of command line tools. Which command verifies protected Windows system files? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A, ping. Option B, cd. Option C, sfc. Option D, tree. The correct answer is option C, sfc. System file checking can repair corrupted operating system components. It is valuable when Windows behaves strangely after crashes or malware cleanup. Question 7. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about command line tools. Which command lists running processes? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A, format. Option B, IP protocol configuration. Option C, header. Option D, tasklist. The correct answer is option D, tasklist. Seeing active processes helps identify resource use and suspicious activity. It is the command line cousin of process monitoring tools. Question 8. While studying for long-form CompTIA A+ practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in command line tools. Which command terminates a process by name or identifier? What is the correct choice? Option A, task kill. Option B, hostname. Option C, dir. Option D, nslookup. The correct answer is option A, task kill. Ending a stuck process can restore control without a full restart. It should be used carefully to avoid closing important services. Question 9. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of command line tools. Which command displays active network connections and listening ports? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A, echo. Option B, netstat. Option C, type. Option D, copy. The correct answer is option B, netstat. Connection visibility helps technicians understand what a computer is communicating with. It can reveal expected services or suspicious activity. Question 10. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment in command line tools, consider this situation. Which command shows the computer name? Which option is the best answer? Option A, chkdsk. Option B, format. Option C, hostname. Option D, reamdir. The correct answer is option C, hostname. The local device name matters for remote support, inventory, and network identification. This quick command removes guesswork. Question 11. A CompTIA-style learner is facing a realistic support scenario about command line tools. Which command releases a DHCP address lease? Which choice gives the most accurate technician level answer? Option A, ping/all. Option B, dir/new. Option C, sfc/stop. Option D, IP protocol configuration/release. The correct answer is option D, IP protocol configuration/release. Releasing an address removes the current assignment from the adapter. It is often paired with a renewal during network troubleshooting. Question 12. During a YouTube long-form practice session on command line tools, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. Which command requests a fresh DHCP address? What is the best answer? Option A, IP protocol configuration/renew. Option B, tasklist/fix. Option C, mater/host. Option D, echo/DNS. The correct answer is option A, IP protocol configuration/renew. A renewal asks the address service for current configuration. This can resolve stale or incorrect network settings. Question 13. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving command line tools. Which command lists files and folders in the current directory? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, ping. Option B, dir. Option C, netstat. Option D, gpupdate. The correct answer is option B, dir. Directory listing is a foundation of command line navigation. It shows what is available before a technician opens, copies, or deletes anything. Question 14. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to command line tools. Which command changes the current folder? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA+ understanding? Option A, sfc. Option B, tracert. Option C, cd. Option D, hostname. The correct answer is option C, cd. Navigation through folders is required before many file commands make sense. This command moves the working location. Question 15. A student preparing for the CompTIA+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in command line tools. Which command creates a new folder? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, taskkill. Option B, netstat. Option C, nslookup. Option D, mater. The correct answer is option D, pater. Creating directories helps organize files for scripts, logs, and repairs. It is a simple but essential administrative action. Question 16. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of command line tools. Which command removes an empty directory? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A, reamdir. Option B, ping. Option C, IP protocol configuration. Option D, hostname. The correct answer is option A, reamdir. Removing unused folders keeps file structures clean. Careful use matters because directory actions can affect user data. Question 17. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about command line tools. Which command refreshes group policy settings? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A, format. Option B, gpupdate. Option C, type. Option D, echo. The correct answer is option B, gpupdate. Managed Windows environments use policies for security and configuration. Refreshing them applies recent administrative changes sooner. Question 18. While studying for long-form CompTIA+ practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in command line tools. Which command displays the contents of a text file? What is the correct choice? Option A, chkdsk. Option B, tasklist. Option C, type. Option D, tracert. The correct answer is option C, type. Viewing plain text directly is useful for logs, scripts, and configuration files. It avoids opening extra applications during troubleshooting. Question 19. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of command line tools. Which command helps manage local user accounts? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A, netstat. Option B, hostname. Option C, sfc. Option D, netuser. The correct answer is option D, netuser. Account commands can view or modify users depending on permissions. They are useful in administrative and support scenarios. Question 20. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment in command line tools, consider this situation. Which command gives detailed network adapter information? Which option is the best answer? Option A, IP protocol configuration/all. Option B, mater/all. Option C, taskkill/all. Option D, reamdir/all. The correct answer is option A, IP protocol configuration/all. Detailed configuration includes adapter, addressing, gateway, and DNS information. More detail often reveals the hidden cause of connectivity issues. Question 21. A CompTIA-style learner is facing a realistic support scenario about command line tools. Why are command line tools valuable to technicians? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A. They replace all hardware. Option B. They provide fast diagnostic and administrative access. Option C. They remove the need for security. Option D. They work only on printers. The correct answer is option B. They provide fast diagnostic and administrative access. Text commands can expose details that graphical tools hide. Skilled support professionals use them for speed, precision, and repeatability. Question 22. During a YouTube long-form practice session on command line tools, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. What does the echo command commonly do? What is the best answer? Option A, repair disks. Option B, trace routes. Option C, display text or variable output. Option D, end processes. The correct answer is option C, display text or variable output. Simple output is useful in scripts and quick tests. It helps confirm values, messages, and command behavior. Question 23. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving command line tools. Which command copies files from one location to another? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, ping. Option B, format. Option C, hostname. Option D, copy. The correct answer is option D, copy. File copying supports backups, migrations, and repair workflows. Technicians must understand source and destination paths before running it. Question 24. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to command line tools. Which command should be used with extreme caution because it formats a volume? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA+ understanding? Option A, format. Option B, dir. Option C, hostname. Option D, echo. The correct answer is option A, format. Formatting prepares a storage volume, but can erase existing data. It is a high-impact command that requires confirmation and backups. Question 25. A student preparing for the CompTIA+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in command line tools. Why are command line questions common on CompTIA+ exams? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A. They test typing speed only. Option B. They reflect real troubleshooting workflows. Option C. They replace all networking topics. Option D. They avoid practical skills. The correct answer is option B. They reflect real troubleshooting workflows. Support work often requires quick commands for network, storage, process, and system checks. Knowing the tools helps candidates solve realistic scenarios.